everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine, and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over my combo to Man with the Bag by Jessie J, which is about an intermediate or advanced, however you look at it, combo. If you would like to do this dance with music, I would say start here first and learn the combo. And then I posted a short earlier in the week that you can then go back and do the dance with music with. So you can find the link to that short in my description box below. So learn the dance here and then go do it with music with the short. And if you don't know some of the steps in this combo, you can probably find them in my Tap Step Tutorials playlist, which is also linked in my description box below, so you can find that there. Go ahead and learn the step real quick if you don't know it, and then come back to this tutorial. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so we're going to start with some time steps. You're going to start with a single time step on your right, double time step on the left. Nice and simple, nothing too hard about it. So we have 1, 2. So some people like to start their time steps on 8. I tend to start mine on 1. It's just, I think traditionally they're started on 8, but I just like the way they sound better starting on 1. So we're going to start on 1. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Using this stomp that we just did on the right foot, you're going to go stomp, hop, shuffle, step, as if you're going to go into a triple time step. And then you're going to do 2 shuffle steps that are a little bit slower than that first shuffle step. So you're going to go shuffle, step, and then finish off the time step with a flap, step, stomp on the left side. Okay, so the third time step, you're going to go stomp, hop, shuffle, step, flap, step, stomp. From here, you're going to go into part 2 of the BS chorus, or at least just one time through, on your left side. So that goes spank, heel, shuffle, step, brush, step, shuffle, heel, step, heel, flap, ball change. Okay, so again, we just finished flap, step, stomp. You have spank, heel, shuffle, step, brush, step, shuffle, heel, step, heel, flap, ball change. To round that out, you're going to go 2 more flap ball changes, left side, right side, and then a Broadway on the left. Okay, so we have our time steps, double, triple, BS chorus, flap ball change, Broadway. Then we have some drawbacks. So from here, we're going to do 4 drawbacks, right, left, right, left. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, toe, heel, drawback, toe, heel, drawback. Then you're going to go back into the drawbacks from the top 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, toe, heel, drawback, toe, heel, stomp. Okay, so there's that one difference in the drawbacks. The very last one is toe, heel, drawback, toe, heel, stomp. We're going to go into a Broadway on the right. Then you're going to go flap, heel, heel. It's kind of like a reverse Broadway, left, right. So instead of going right, left, you're going to go flap, left, right to bring yourself back in. Spank, pause, and then a toe. So Broadway on the right, flap, heel, heel, spank, toe. The toe is going to happen when she says in the song, "'cause." Okay, I think she says like, everyone is waiting for the man with the bag, 'cause. On Christmas is coming again, you're going to go ball change, left, right, rhythm turn, right, left, and then a stomp on the right, right, left, and then stomp on the right. So we have Broadway, spanky, toe, ball change, heel, heel, toe, toe, stomp. We're going to go ball change, slide on the left. Hold 2, 3 on and the 4. You're going to do cramp roll on the right. Then you're going to go into a 5-count riff on the right. Then you have heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel. Left, right, left, right, left, right. Spank, heel, toe, heel. I think she says, he'll be here, 2, 3, cram roll, with the answer to the prayers that you say through the years. So it goes, it's very heavily relies upon the lyrics and the rhythm of the lyrics. Okay, so we just went, Christmas is coming again. We have ball, change, slide, 2, 3, cram, roll, riff, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel. You're going to kind of repeat that here. Ball, change, slide, hold 2, 3, cramp, roll, 5-count riff, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, pause, then toe, toe, heel, toe, toe, and then spank on heel. So second time through is ball, change, slide, 2, 3, cramp, roll, riff, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, pause, toe, toe, heel, toe, toe, spank. Okay, let's go through the whole thing here. I know that was a lot, but let's go ahead and walk through the whole thing here. So starting with our time steps, we have single, double, triple, shuffle step, BS chorus, 2 more flat ball changes, and a Broadway. Draw back 4 times, toe, draw back, Broadway, flat, heel, heel, spank, toe, ball change, heel, heel, toe, toe, stomp, ball change, slide, cramp, roll, again, ball change, slide, from here on this spank, you're going to go ball change, flat ball change, and then kind of a back essence on your right foot, brush ball change, flat ball change. One more time on the left side here, brush ball change, flat ball change. And then brush ball change, stomp, scuff, brush. This one's going to turn you. So brush, brush ball, change, stomp. That's what I meant to say. Right foot starts here. Brush ball, change, stomp, and then scuff, brush. So that's a heel and then a toe. And then to finish this circle here, you're going to do 3 flat ball changes starting on the left, or excuse me, 4 flat ball changes. Left foot, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you have ball change, Irish on the left, slide on the right. So let's go over that last part here. So we've just finished da, 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 heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, spank. We have ball, change, flat, ball, change, brush, ball, change, flat. One more here. Brush, ball, change, stomp, scuff, brush. Flat, ball, change, flat, ball, change. 3, 4, ball, change, Irish, slide. Yep. And you can kind of do a cross, like a slight cross with the, obviously with the ball change and then the Irish too, if you want to. Woo, okay, so that's the whole thing. That's where we end on that slide there. That's a long dance. Let's walk it through one more time. So I'll do it 2 more times. One time I'll talk us through it. One time we'll just be up to tempo, no talking through. Okay, here we go. Ready from those time steps. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Single, double, triple, BS chorus, flat ball change, Broadway, drawback. Broadway, flat heel, heel, spank, toe, ball change, heel, heel, toe, toe, stomp. Ball change, slide. Heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel. Ball change, slide. heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, heel, heel, toe, toe, swing, ball change, flat, ball change. Flat, ball change 4 times. Ball change, shuffle, step, slide. Woo, nicely done. Let's go ahead and give that one more try here. And I am not going to talk us through it. So here we go. Just up to tempo. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Oh, I'm a little bit out of breath here. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. If you have a song suggestion or a step suggestion, please let me know down in the comments section below. And if you want to do this dance with music, the link to that short is also in the description box below. So thank you again so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.